Hey kids, Teacher Rachel here. Today we're going to be reading a story about a blue cat. Does anybody remember what the name of the blue cat might be? Who is this? It's Pete the cat. You're right. And we're going to read today Rocking in My School Shoes. Whoa, beep beep. There's the school bus. Pete is getting ready for school and he's getting onto the school bus. And Pete is carrying a backpack. Who else has a backpack? Here comes Pete strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes, I'm rocking in my school shoes, I'm rocking in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when his friend says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? He's going to the library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes, I'm reading in my school shoes, I'm reading in my school shoes. Wow, check out Pete. He's ready to eat. He's in a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? He's in the lunchroom. And he's drinking milk and using his fork. Yummy, Pete. It can be loud and noisy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. I'm eating in the lunchroom. I'm eating in the lunchroom. I'm eating in the lunchroom. Looks like Pete had a yummy snack. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Whee! Where is Pete? Can you find him? Where is he? He's on top of the slide. He's at the playground. Do you guys go play at the playground? Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. Whee, Pete! Go, Pete! All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. Pete is a busy cat. Beep, beep. When school is done, Pete rides the school bus home. Bye, Pete. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today, Pete?" Pete says, I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow. Bye, Pete. Bye, Pete. Thanks for reading Pete the Cat Rocking in My School Shoes. Bye.